Next one, where do DMF results get stored? How do you access them? Snowflake automatically stores all DMF results in a Snowflake managed tables and views under the Snowflake database local schema. You can access the results in three main ways. Option 1, raw event table. The most detailed results are stored in the system managed table. This is ideal if you want full control over the output. You can build custom views, table functions, or store procedures to filter and transform the results data. It's especially useful when you want fine-grained access control or advanced analysis. Option 2, pre-processed view. If you prefer a cleaner and more readable format, you can query the view. This view is flattened and structured version of the raw table, and it includes information like the metric name, the results value, the affected table or column, and when the check ran. It's perfect when you want to access results quickly without dealing with raw event structures. Option 3, table function. The third option is to use the data quality monitoring results table function. It returns the same columns as the view, but it is scoped to a single table based on the input you provide. This is useful when you want to limit access to just one table's DMF results, for example, to support secure, role-based access in shared environments. So depending on your use case, whether you need full flexibility, quick insights, or scoped access, Snowflake gives you multiple ways to work with DMF results efficiently. Remember, it's not just about what a DMF does. Knowing the why and how is what sets you apart. Follow for more Snowflake interview prep tips.